Next at 6, another union is trying to negotiate. Now Janesville teachers want to hash out contracts with the district in light of a judge's ruling that parts of Act 10 were unconstitutional.
And that's the law Governor Scott Walker put in place banning collective bargaining for labor unions across the state. And News 3's Dannika Lewis has more on whether or not that will happen. Danica?
Well, the Janesville Teachers Union is bringing along other school employees, hoping power in numbers entices the district to come play some bargaining ball. But the board says there's too many unanswered questions to start those negotiations right away. Special delivery to the offices of the Janesville School Board, a letter from the teachers union pushing for contract negotiations.
Everything's on the table.
It won't just be those in the classroom pulling up a chair. The Janesville Education Association is bringing custodial staff, food services workers, and secretarial aides into the process. Another 450 employees bargaining by their side.
I think the main focus of the contract, this should tell the school board a lot, that we are focusing on the items that are in common to the three of us. So that hopefully will give them a reason to come to the table and talk about it.
The other side.
This has been far from a typical year.
Seems more tentative to start those talks. This letter does push up the process. Teachers are under contract until next summer, so the board wasn't planning to negotiate for at least a few months.
We're not going to rush it, nor are we going to, delay things.
The plan now for the school board, move forward with an employee handbook and wait until attorneys have a better idea of what it all means.
We're advised, I think, to be cautious always, to make sure we're doing things right. We'll keep on involving our employees, like we always have been in this process, and we'll see what the final law says.
A final law the union is confident will hold up any contract they draft up now.
Whether there's a stay in place or not, this is a great idea to get down, sit down, and talk about our problems and how we can solve them together.
Now, WEAC, the state's teachers union, advise its members to act according to their individual interests. An attorney for the Wisconsin Association of School Boards has not heard from other districts about reopening contracts. He also says the way the law is written, he has serious doubts that anything negotiated now would stick after a stay is issued, if that happens, or if Act 10 goes back into play. So certainly a more complicated situation by the day.
Right, so some people are asking, how can folks like janitors or cafeteria workers, even aides, join in on the process?
Well, yeah, with these guys coming to the table together, I'm told teachers are with WEAC and the other employees fall under two divisions of AFSCME, excuse me, but the union's president says all are looking to negotiate pay and benefits and thinks that this will actually speed up that process pretty significantly.
We'll be following that. Thanks, Danica.
Sure thing.